So today's video is going to be on how to adjust your fitment, or maybe a panel that's not fitting correctly. The highway is busy today, and we got the 70 conversion that we've been building on the channel, which is a great subject. Now I ain't got this bolted all the way together, but you can see the bolt. Look, you see the bolt in it. Well, that's as much adjustment as we got. Looks okay, does it? Don't say it does. It looks okay till you get at an angle, and then it's not okay. And the issue is, let's see if I can show you inside, is we maxed out. And these cheaper panels is not got the holes drilled precisely in the right spot. If you get one that does, you got lucky. I did this side. We got it fitting good. And I figured, why not do this side? You know, you might want to know how to do this. And it's very simple. I cover this subject again in many other videos, but this is for the new subscribers. Maybe if you're new to the channel, it's been a while since I did anything like this. So, what we're going to do, take this loose, or we can get to it. Then we're going to take a drill. We're going to drill it. So now we got this loose, sometimes you have to take the whole panel off, but we're going to try to get to this hole. And here we go, you can see in here. Look through this. And what we're going to do is take a step bit. You can use any drill bit you got. I like these step bits. We're going to try to get in and size this out. We actually might have to pull this out, which is going to be hard. Without doing some damage here. Actually help the panel fit a little better. Doing that. There we go. We just let gravity do its thing, hopefully. Now don't go anywhere. Little drill bit. We went up 2 sizes. Now sometimes when you do this, you will need to use a washer with the bolt, and sometimes you don't. Our boat's got a little built-in washer, and it should do just fine without it. So now we gotta get it lined up again, which is always a challenge on anything like this, especially when your hand can't get to it, because go figure, the designer's like, we need a boat here, and in reality, do they need a boat? Do they? They thought they did. Oh God, that'll be a 5-minute video of me fighting with trying to get this boat. Okay, look at that. That's somewhat where we need it. Now you want to try to start it without cross-threading it. So once you get your wrench on it, sometimes you can reach in now if they got a shoulder and start them. And hope for the best. Sometimes. Once it started straight, we thought we had it started. Now did we start? Now we should have plenty of room to align this thing. So let's go ahead and snug it up. Fit it snug. Make sure it's not cross-threading. You can see it's not the best fitment, but you get that with aftermarket panels. That's why we got to adjust. In we go. You can see we still a lot pretty far off. That's pretty close, but the bad thing is I think we could go a little bit more. That's saying something. So I'm going to take this and do a little bit more. So I notched that out about another step and a half. So we should have plenty of movement once we get it up close. We will find out once we get this bolt semi-snug. See how the fitment is. Either fitment's going to be great or it's going to be shit. And sometimes you got to force it. You know what they say, if you force it, it's not meant to be. Well, that ain't true in sheet metal. You know, it's sometimes you gotta like pull at it and twist at it while you tighten. So we'll do what we can with what we got. On here. Now, twisting this for this will fit right here. I might have to get something to put on it. Because it wrench is not going to work, is it? It's too tall. Won't work this way. Good enough. It's a little off at the bottom. Actually, it's still a lot off, ain't it? Mm-hmm. It's semi though, but it ain't all the way. I can't go no more without notching the front end, but I think I can body work that once the man gets prime on it and stuff. Ain't gonna be too bad. Oh, the man gets prime on it and stuff. I mean, even if I come out any smoother, you know, it ain't gonna be perfect. This one's a lot more perfect. That's what you get with these aftermarket parts. You know, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Once man gets primer on it, body works it, he'll come down a lot. So, you seen, the fitment was a little bit of a pain. You get that with most aftermarket stamps, even good quality ones. You have to notch them. Now, I could notch just a little bit more. But, if I keep notching, I'm eventually going to run out of room for that bolt to travel. Then ain't going to be nothing to hook to. Now, if you notice both sides here, this is close on the driver's side. It lines up better. But the passenger side, it's a little off, but for a hot rod, it's fine. And once we add primer and block this down twice with 2 layers of primer on it, this is going to go away. Just take a look at the fitment. Pretty good down below. It's a little off. You know, you can see, but the primer will take care of that. The primer will build up and block down here. This side, you know, it's pretty well flush. A little off up here, but yeah, that's what we got. And as I said, the primer takes care of that, so don't worry. You know, fitment is 9/10 of the battle on your car than bodywork and primer. Because the better your fitment, the less bodywork you got to do. But sometimes you got the floss, you got the pie cut, and you just got to work with it. And that's what we had to do now. And it wasn't easy, it was a battle, but hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you want to see an update video on the progress of this, subscribe to the channel, and I just uploaded one a day before yesterday, so go check it out. Check the eBay store out. We do sell parts to automotive cars that we do work on, in case you need any, and just random stuff. Never know what you need. It's a little extra support for me, and what can I say? Don't buy anything you don't need, though, because the like and the comment helps just as much. Progress.